This 5-minute solution will show you how to disable incognito or private mode in Google Chrome in iPhone. So if you turn on incognito mode in your Google Chrome browser and now you are not able to disable the incognito mode, don't worry. You can disable the incognito mode in just few steps. So open your Google Chrome browser and if you're in the incognito mode, tap on this icon. Now to disable incognito mode, select this and now tap on this plus icon to start a normal browsing mode. And this is how we can disable incognito mode in Google Chrome in iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.